So we're doing we're going with the lowrider theme. It's a 1966, I'm sorry, 1967 Pontiac GTO by MPC. Just real quick, I'm gonna open up the box and then get started on it right now. And we're gonna try to keep it box stock, but with a nice lowrider paint job. I'll probably do a silver base, some flake, a candy, and then we'll shoot the clear, wet sand and polish it, and then obviously change the wheels. So let's get started on it. I'm gonna do it real quick. I'm gonna just open the box, and then we'll go from there. All right. So first off, we want to see what the project's gonna take. I am gonna lower it as much as possible without doing too many modifications. It does have a pin for, I'm guessing, what has it for the front or no, the back. On the front, might have some kind of push pins. Yeah, see. So the back's gonna have the rod going across, and then the front will have a pin. So we'll do a modification. It'll probably be a curbside. Yeah, that's what I do. I do a curbside, just to keep it simple, keep it smooth, and that we can focus on the paint job. So we'll do a curbside. We'll just make another rod for the front, the back, and then we don't have to worry about too much about the engine. We'll just have that closed up. So we'll focus on the paint job and go from there. But yeah, man, it shouldn't be too hard. So next is I'm gonna start. We'll figure out the stance. We'll do the stance, and then we'll go from there. Let's see what we got on decals. Most of the times I won't use a decal. Let's see what we got. Michigan plates. Nothing crazy here. We're not gonna use, we won't probably use any of this. Maybe just the plates, but we'll go ahead and put it in the box. We don't need to worry about that right now. So here's the body. Here's the tub. These wheels, we won't need them. So we'll put it up. I've never really used these tires, so I'll just put them up though. I'll figure it out. I'll give them away to somebody. Here you go. That's pretty sharp. So what we'll probably do is we'll shave off the emblems. So we'll shave off the GTO, the lock, the handle here. We'll shave those off. We'll shave all the emblems off. Kind of give it a little more custom look to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on the stance first. We can obviously tell, I could tell already that it's gonna be setting pretty high. So what I'm gonna do is just get some tires. Let me see. So I'm thinking about going with these deep dish wire wheels. These are from Hoppin' Hydros. That's what we'll do. We'll do these deep dish. These are pretty nice. There we go, right there. Now we are gonna have to trim that down. Oh, it doesn't stick out so much. So it'll be something like that. probably find some, I got some knockouts right here. We'll probably paint these gold, just to kind of offset the color a little bit. As you can see, I already did all the body work. I have it all primered up. I have the stance that I want. I dropped it as low as possible. I already shaved off all the emblems, the locks, the door handles, everything that I could take off, I took off. So there, basically it's all shaved. It came out pretty good. Like I said earlier, it's gonna be a curb size, so I'm not too worried about the engine compartment. But I did have to modify it in order for it to lay flat. I also put some styrene in here so it could hold the hood in place. But once I get it all painted up, I'm just gonna glue it. That way it doesn't pop off. So tomorrow I'll start shading the paint. I'll start with the silver base, and then I'll do the flake, then shoot a clear over it, let it dry for 24 hours, and then wet sand it, and then shoot the color on it. I also had to do some work to the front in order for the bumper to fit and all the lighting, but it wasn't too bad. I got it all ready to go for paint. A little bit more wet sanding, but bodywork came out pretty good. Alright, so now we're at the primer stage, or the final primer. I've already sanded it down. I already wet sanded it. It's ready to go. It took a couple times to make sure all the bodywork is done right. No deep scratches, anything like that. Yeah, I'm ready for. Right now, I'm gonna shoot the base coat. But right now, we need to clean this booth. It has all the primer, so we'll clean it up right now.